Sarpo teronarong langbuko long haladak sainik school project nang lelo halabang so project aphan non kam cheng bang bom tanglo art development and chenglo forest clearance kaduk we cheng bom tanglo sida me hadak ke do ra tu rong in koisus doning koisus se longly affected atu longly kanu hok du natu alang litum chini pame melang ko pisi ta so school ke bang pen alang litum kisung jima ke joy ki jima halabang so lam ke chini ne pin lang lasi lahai hoi alam nilitum kami than bom lo sita rat atum dame ka chini ne dum sike onglang la penang parke la kapre ka state pen tame texer atum professor atum scholars atum tame karbiang long phan nang ka chini kang tung atum do dak litum resources ko son sidak preserve jema illegal ko pine doma we ma lahai tame dak lahai hui tame news long klang o la pen in karbiang long non ke news long do kok lo India map long ta la sela hai hu alam ka chini mala dum ta chining tung si la ke wang lo pini tapen la bang so ke wang fut rong sor tum nang che tong dun rong sor tum nang ar phan arjulo kopilo nang le tum ka chini ke puma sela tum jata nang phan phek the kopi si sainik school long pen kopi si ale doji ma polam la tum chini ne la pen dak admission a procedure ko son lo ta chini ne la dak recruitment a procedure ko son lo puta la hai tum rong sor tum chini ne la sela hai hu alam ala ka chini tum sainik school ka charlie atum tame do halai tum tame theni ke thani pan selang le tum han wang lo sita me pini dak tong sokot pen police force nang toy dak dilai la pen dak manja a police force nang toy pen halabang so peaceful democratic pini ka chingwai ka chingsai ji ka che thanji alam mang ke pini ka than nong le det lan da galilang nilitum phan non mat pini pen nang tum han dak yong sike wang lo bonte nang han case pen nang arrest at ji basil tum han dak manja SI lo na pen ha dilai tum bahani tame tum hanang pa feril lason nak taksi rong sor phan tame amen nang tok lo her hab lo je labang so a project la ke government a project la ke nang tum jat noi long le che pek du nang po lason si her hab lason si claim la sinone tum pung tung bang la hen lo hong pen ke wang tum phan alang le tum professor tum research scholars tum phan non mal alang tum phan detain pen pajok serak ning pajok ngoi la jong si pajok je lo tang te la ke karbiang long sor rat ke lage thur kapi bang ke lage ang teklang lan
sarta man ko mani pan ka arrest mane case FIR la so restart la so
nili tum phan ang ke res kali bode dak thana anda nange wanjia kam ta ave ke di hok pet ke police tum mangai tum hanang ke arrest lo kita me rat atum nang chini dun der ajok non ke nang ke res kali pusalang tum cepak lang lo la pe non hong pen ke wang atum phan bang ke alang le tum arju bom lang pipini investigate bom lang la tum phan tame la si alang litum ta alang tum phan detain pusela tum pulo hatum han tame nang lo serak ning gusin tum
sone hola hong pane ba kopia department kopia tum lo sa
alang litum ke la environment hin ka charlie ke thek tum la pen inut bang ke la ke IMM Indian Institute of Management lo la multi purpose project long pini ne apu thak hai lo ke than bang alang ke asila hai ke chini phan ke rong wang wek nai kali madi asila hai aphan si alang litum ke wang lo chini phan si ke wang la sar tame pupon bom ditilo 6 schedule long minerals la pen ka prek itum hormu do o sitame litum aron bang na anda che semar mede la si aron ka che semar mede da jok dak bang ke kaita illegal ason si la hai ke pon bom lo la si 6 schedule aron teng pen litum la hai mineral extraction phan ben chenglok ka du ko we rules jong se semar lo dang te definitely council long si revenue ke dopo la ke itum si long ko sita non ke alang litum claim kle det lo aron re chalan kawe pen si phur bom lo roi chong hu bom ason si tum thek long
is that our people, we are political party persons and then social workers. We are concerned with environment and protection of our land and our people in 6 schedule area in Karbi Anglong, West Karbi Anglong and in the Mahasau. We have been hearing that some companies have come in Langwoku area and they are trying to set up some mining operation there. They would destroy the earth, the soil of the cultivation areas of the people. they will not be able to stay, they will be evicted. All the tribal people will be evicted from there. So our people have only gone to see. We have not entered the area also, but they have been talking to the people only. The rest, the detail, will be spoken by Bikram Hanse and Mr. Dole, Pranab Dole, because they are the people who have faced the real thing.
Yes.
You can ask them.
Thank you, sir.
But we demand that there should be no arrest. This is only harassment. The police is only harassing us.
Human right as a citizen of India, and also the ethos of Karbi people. The Karbi people are generous and kind people. They don't behave like this with their guests. So the demand is that immediately the researchers and environmental workers who have been detained by the police should be released. We are all here waiting outside the Manja Police Station, and if the police do not release them, there will be a huge public democratic resistance against this. Yeah, as everyone in Assam knows that we are concerned citizens and we work for the rights of people, to protect our nature, to protect the land of our people. A team of esteemed researchers and environmental workers from different parts of the country today visited Karbi Anglong to understand how the 6th schedule in Karbi Anglong is functioning, and also to see what is the state of the forest and the nature and the land here. In order to give them an exposure, we took them to one of the villages where a scenic school is coming up. So we went there, we had a conversation, the villagers came to meet us, we had a conversation, and we were just democratically talking in front of the church there, sitting there and democratically having a discussion, introducing each other. And suddenly the police from Manja Police Station and Delhi Police Station, they come there with a lot of armed guards, and they come and disturb our peaceful discussion. And we never expected that Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, which we take a pride in as a symbolic and a great 6th schedule, will behave like that with our guests. So we demand that immediately the researchers and our friends who have come here to Karbi Anglong to spread the good message or the reality of people here, what is happening in, they will be able to tell you clearly what was the reason that they had to, forcefully bring very peaceful four guests who had come to visit us. The police is answerable. They should tell us what made them come and bring us forcefully here to the police station.
Should ask.
Yeah, that we request the whole media fraternity and also the civil society from Assam, that we are not known to treat our guests in such a manner. Even if it's the police department, they should go and abide by the Indian constitution and respect the basic rights of our people. And this was completely, very undemocratic, the way they forcefully brought all of us to the police station.
What is your name, sir?
I'm Pranab Dole. I'm from Kaziranga, and we are neighbors. And as our friend Bikram is here, we have been working for the protection of 6th schedule and also the people and the resources and our natural beauty of this region.
Thank you.
Okay, state media.
छत्तीसगढ़ से हूँ और हमारे साथी लोग हैं, प्रणव भाई, विक्रम भाई हैं, और पर्यावरण संरक्षण को लेकर हम लोग काम करते हैं छत्तीसगढ़ में। यहाँ पर आए थे हम बेसिकली थोड़ा सा समझने के लिए पर्यावरण की क्या स्थिति है, जो 6वीं अनुसूची है, 6 शेड्यूल है, 6 शेड्यूल का जो गवर्नेंस मॉडल है, जो कि एक आइडियल गवर्नेंस मॉडल है, उस मॉडल को समझने के लिए तो हम लोग यहाँ पर आए थे। तो कुछ जो भी मिसकम्युनिकेशन हुआ और फिर लोकल थाने से पुलिस भाई आए, तो फिर हम लोग यहाँ थे, प्रणव भाई आए।
Sir, how many posts that will come from there?
सॉरी,
How many people are coming from there?
कितने लोग?
कि हम लोग 3 लोग हैं, हमारे 2 मित्र लोग हैं, दिल्ली से हैं और मैं छत्तीसगढ़ से हूँ।
Sir, there's any cases going from China?
Is there any case?